What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be installing some carbon fiber tips on my F80 today. These are the carbon fiber tips that I've been hinting at and I showed you guys a preview of in the past couple videos. So I'm super excited to install these finally. I think it's going to tie together the whole murdered out, blacked out theme that I've been going for, as well as my new HREs that are just super badass. But yeah, the polished tips that I have now are from Burger Tuning. I absolutely love them, but they went better with my old silver comps and my old silver HRE finish. But now that they're blacked out, I wanted to get a black tip and then might as well add a little carbon fiber flair to that. So I hit up my boy Slow F80 on Instagram. I'll drop his Instagram on the bottom left, and he hooked it up. He sent these out to me within like a day or two. So I'll make sure to leave his Instagram down below. Hit him up if you need any like carbon fiber accessories, diffusers, and tips, and he'll hook you up and he'll get you sorted. But let me go ahead and unbox this for you guys and show you what we're working with. If you're new here, make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment down below what you guys think about these tips. And let's get it. If I look like I'm wearing the same thing from the last video, it's because I am. We're knocking out 2 videos in one day for you guys, upping the content, hustling, so hope you guys appreciate it. It's not too bad though because I have the mini split in here now. But let me show you guys what we are working with today. So again, shout out to my boy Slow F80 on Instagram. He has a beautiful badass Java green F80 that he picked up recently, and then he also had a super badass white F80 not too long ago. He sent me these tips out within a day. UPS delivered them literally the next day. So shout out to him for the fast delivery, good customer service, and he's local to Florida as well, so make sure you guys follow him. He also buys like stock downpipes and stuff like that, so hit him up. But yeah, this is what we're working with today. Looks like a 2x2 carbon fiber weave to go along with all the other carbon fiber that I have on the car. And then as you guys can see right there, it is a black tip with a silver M logo. Absolutely badass. It's gonna tie in perfectly with the whole Batman Dark Knight theme that we're going for. It comes with this tool right here to crank it down and tighten it once you get the tip over your stock ones. But the hardest part about this job honestly is gonna be taking off my old Burger Tuning tips. They're held in by like 2 pins underneath, one over here and one on the other side. Once you undo that, technically they could come off if you wiggle them hard enough, so I think I'm gonna go with that route first. I really don't want to have to drop my PSM style under tray, and then I'll have my rubber mallet to like hammer these out. But I'm gonna see if I can manhandle these out with my hands and pull them out and see what we can do. Before I do that, I just want to show you guys the tip one more time. I think the outer diameter is 93 millimeters, which is about 3.75 inches or so. These Burger Tuning tips are the exact same size, 3.75 inch outer diameter. They look cool, they look great, they look like cannons. Before I bought these, I originally wanted like 4-inch tips, but Active only makes those for certain exhaust, and then AW doesn't sell them a la carte. So my only option was to get something like this that's a direct slip-on, but I don't mind because this style right here is just so clean. It's gonna tie in with the car so well, as I said before. So I'm super happy with this purchase. All right, we have good news. Found an Allen wrench that matches to what I need to take out, and then you loosen these lefty-loosey. Those will come out, and those are the pins that hold in the exhaust tips. And as I predicted, these would be able to be wiggled out. As you guys can see here, there's a lot of play. If you guys have the stock tips from the factory, like the black ones or the silver ones, those are a pain in the butt to get off, and you're probably gonna have to take off this under tray if you have one, and you're gonna have to use like a rubber mallet and like a 2x4. That's what I had to do back in the day. But these, since they already are a slip-on, you guys can see it and hear it. It's coming out just with me wiggling it back and forth. There we go. We got one tip off. This thing has definitely been charred up. Just like that. These things are cannons though. People thought I had like a different color tip, but it's not. It's just from the exhaust and the flames probably changing the color. Overall, not too bad. Now we are going to test fit the carbon tips and make sure they align, because I like how far these stick out, as you guys can see here. So they're a little staggered or slanted. The inner one sticks out a little more, so I like that look. That's what your customs did for me a long time ago. So I'm gonna try to replicate that on this side with the carbon tips. Actually, to get a super precise measurement, I'm gonna bring out the measuring tape, measure it, which I think it's like an inch. And so I'm going to measure it on the other side and see if I need to bring out the carbon tip a little more. But already that looks hard as fuck. All blacked out with the M logo. And then you have the carbon matching the diffuser. So sick. Just wanted to pause this video to bring you a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. As you guys know, Simply Carbon Fiber is a huge sponsor of the channel. Kona loves her carbon fiber watch that they sent out. As you guys can see here, it is full forged carbon. Right, Kona? You love it? But as you guys know, Simply Carbon Fiber is a huge sponsor of my channel, and right here I'm going to be showcasing you guys 3 of my favorite items that I use on a daily basis. We have their full carbon fiber phone case that's on my iPhone 12 right now. Then we also have the carbon fiber sunglasses that I showed you guys in the last video with the full carbon fiber frame. Absolutely amazing and super high quality. What I just showed you, Kona's watch, aka what's always on my wrist, is this forged carbon face and black band watch that I have been rocking on a daily basis. It looks super sleek, and as you guys can see there, it is super high quality. Make sure you guys do me a favor and check them out at simplycarbonfiber.com, and they're also having a 20% off Father's Day sale going on right now. I'll put it on the screen for you guys, and so make sure you guys check them out. And you can also use my code FH10 for 10% off. So shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back into this one. As I'm test fitting this exhaust tip, I'm gonna pull out the second one for you guys right here. And as I've been working, you already know, I've been supporting my homies Jamal and Ben at Shrug Media. He just put out a new video, so you already know I'm a big supporter of anybody that does BMW automotive YouTube like that, and there's a bunch of guys in Orlando, so if you guys don't know, check out Shrug Media and follow Ben on Instagram at ShameM3S55. Yeah, I love watching the homies videos while I'm working out, doing car stuff. No better way to do it. I'm gonna pause that real quick. It's gonna be pretty loud. I wanted to compare my old tip to my new one side by side. You guys can see the size difference is pretty substantial. As you guys can see, these stick out a lot more, so that'll give me more room if I wanted to move them in or out. The outer diameter is about the exact same, I would estimate. But let's go ahead and get this second carbon fiber tip mocked up, and then we're gonna tighten down these right here with the tool that was provided to us. We just finished up one side. God damn, it looks so sick. Carbon, and carbon. Hell yeah. I'll definitely pull this out for you guys a little later to get you guys a better look in the sunlight, but already it looks super sinister from this angle right here. Yes sir, murdered out. Let's go. Super easy installation process, by the way. You could definitely do this yourself, but man, those tips look so good. And now for the other side. If anybody wants these tips, I think I'll let them go for like $100. Shoot me a DM. Obviously they need to be cleaned up, but $100 burger tooting tips, let me know. Just like that. They look absolutely insane. All the carbon to match with the diffuser and the spoiler. It just ties in so well. Obviously these are going to be harder to see on pictures and videos, but in person, the carbon with the black tips and the M logo just looks so sick. I'm going to pull the car out in a little bit to give you guys a better look in the daylight, but overall super happy with the fitment of these tips. It was a super easy DIY. Probably took me 20-30 minutes since I was filming for you guys, but god damn, they look hard. Just pulled the car out for you guys to give you guys a first look. My first time seeing them in the daylight as well, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Holy shit. Yo, it is completely murdered out, as you guys can see right there. I'm so used to the polished burger tips that, you know, seeing these is gonna take some time to get used to, obviously, but damn. The camera definitely does not do them justice. You guys can see there, the carbon fiber looks so mint. That M logo in silver just looks so hard. It actually complements the hardware on the wheels, I think. So everything just ties in perfectly now. Give you guys a little 3/4 shot right here. Damn, son. Obviously black tips are gonna be hard to see again, like I said before, on camera and in video, but in person they look so sick. I've probably said it 1,000 times in this video. They look so hard. I think it's safe to say we are completely murdered out now. Let's go. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to tell from this angle, see if it'll focus, but it literally looks like 4 cannons coming out the back. I mean, I thought the silver ones did, but these look just as big, just as good. Wow. I am super impressed and super happy with the turnout. A lot of you guys probably don't agree with it because you can't even see them in video and pictures, but doesn't matter. In person, it looks so good. Again, shout out to my boy Slow F80 on Instagram. I'll leave his info down below. Make sure you guys hit him up if you guys want some badass tips like this. He also has different variations of carbon as well, so definitely hit him up. He will take care of you. But dude, I know I say this in every video now, but I can't believe this is my car. There's no way. Freshly detailed from Caleb, hands-on detailing. The wheels are just mint. And the ceramic pads up front help out so much. I drove on these wheels for a week and I really didn't have any brake dust besides in the barrels. Give you guys a look at the rear. Sheesh. That looks incredible. Give you guys another update on the next video or video to come. We are going to be taking off all 4 of my HRE wheels and we are going to be ceramic coating them again. Not looking forward to that. Probably not going to be another step-by-step like the first one, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated as we go along. We're going to be using Deluxe again, and Caleb gave me some more applicator pads today when he came to wash the car, so huge shout out to him. Stay tuned and let me know what you guys think about these tips. I think they're badass, yo. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. The carbon tips look absolutely amazing. Ties everything together with the overall theme of the car that we're going for. Shout out to Slow F80 again for sending these out. I swear, every time I'm trying to do an intro or outro, my 2 dogs interrupt me and they always open the door like they own the place. But you gotta love the mascots on the channel. Aston posing with the HREs, Kona doing Kona things. But yeah, absolutely love my tips. Can't wait to show you guys in person. This video is actually dropping on Friday, so if you are local and you're watching this video, come out to Ace Cafe at like 6 p.m. or so. We are having a BMW night. I think it's hosted by BMW Invasion and Orlando Beamer Club. So I'll be out there, so I hope to see you guys there as well. Come out, see the F80. Not a lot of people have seen it with the new wheels, so yeah. Come out, it should be a good time. I'm gonna make a fire video out of it and showcase all of the cars that come out, so stay tuned for that video, probably dropping on Monday. But yeah, the love on YouTube has been unreal lately. We're almost at 5K subscribers. Like, that's absolutely insane. I remember when I got 500 subscribers and I was super hyped. So shout out to everybody watching, and if you're new here, shout out to you for clicking on the video. I invite you to hit that like button, that subscribe button, and stay tuned for future BMW content, car content coming soon. So again, I appreciate all the support lately. The channel and the growth, positive vibes have just been unreal lately. So shout out to the old subscribers, the new subscribers, the OGs, the homies. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Take care. Peace.